All right, so my next one. Now, for my girlies who are not so dramatic and you want to own a slip dress, this is the perfect slip dress that is black on. And this is the Nia Thomas Melina dress in black. This dress feels so delightful. So delightful. I I mean, I don't know what else to say. I we Me and my client ordered this, and I'm saying we because I need to get pre-approval of what she wants to move forward. That's just how I operate with my practices and stuff like that. So we ordered this, and I take a look to examine just to make sure I don't want any surprises while I open it for the first time in front of her. So I open it first because it comes to my office first. So it just felt so luxurious and soft, and boy oh boy, does it grace your body so well. My client is a pear shape, so she has hips, but she really was feeling herself. And I'm like, girl, keep feeling yourself in that mirror. Go right ahead. It just feels amazing. And I know she mentioned that she never felt so like feminine and soft. It was money well spent. I know this is a more this price is more upscale, but it's worth it. None of these brands are paying me. None of these brands am I affiliated with, so I'm just telling you based off of experience. But let's read the description for this dress. So the Melina silk slip dress is undeniably romantic, making it the perfect choice for events such as weddings and parties. Made from silk that gently skims your figure. Yes, that it does. Side note, it has ruffled silk chiffon adorned at the hem. The split reveals a flash of leg as you walk. I think this is like the epitome of what every woman should own in their closet, a slip dress that really just makes you feel like a woman. Like take the power suits off, take all of the gaudy stuff on, and put this simple dress. It really just ignites every woman's beauty and softness. So you guys let me know down below if you are feeling this, how it looks. It definitely feels just like the description has mentioned.